Hello everyone, class 8, Geography, Chapter 5, Industries. Okay, today we will learn about industries. Have you ever given a thought to the fact that the notebook you use for writing has come to you after a long process of manufacturing? It started its life as part of a tree. It was cut down and transported to pulp mill. There, the wood of the tree was processed and converted into wood pulp. The wood pulp was mixed with chemicals and finally changed into paper by machines. This paper found its way to the press work where ink made from chemicals was used in the print the lines of the pages. The pages were then bound in the form of a notebook, packed and sent to the market for sale. Finally, it reached your hands. Secondary activities are manufacturing. Change raw materials into product of more value of people. As you have seen, pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. These represent the two stages of the manufacturing process. The paper made from pulp and clothes made from cotton have had value added to them at each stage of the manufacturing process. In this way, the finished product has more value and utility than the raw material than that it is made from. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, excretion, extraction of minerals of the provision of service. Thus, we have iron and steel industry, production of goods, coal mining industry, extractions of coal, and tourism industry service provider. Classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw material, size, and ownership. Raw materials industries may be agro based, mineral based, marine based, on forest based, depending on the type of raw materials they use. Agro based industries use plant and animals based product as their raw materials. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton, textile, dairy produce, and leather industries are example of agro based industries. Mineral based industries are primary industries that use minerals ore as their raw materials. The product of these industries feed other industries. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry. This is used as raw material for the manufacturers of a number of other products such as heavy machinery, buildings materials, and railway coaches. Marine based industries use product from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil are some examples. Forest based industries utilize forest produce as raw materials. The industries associated with forest are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture, and buildings. Size. It refers to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed, and the volume of production. Based on size, industries can be classified into small scale and large scale industries. Cottage or household industries are a type of small scale industry where the product of manufactured by hand by the artisans. Basket weaving, poetry, pottery, and other handicrafts are example of cottage industry. Small scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology as compared to the large scale industries that produce large volume of product. Investment of capital is higher and technology used is superior in large scale industries. Silk weaving and food processing industries are small scale industries. Uh, Figure 5.1 production of automobiles and heavy machinery are large scale industries. The picture, okay? Stage in food processing of gorgon nut makhana. Ownership. Industries can be classified into private sector, state owned or public sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. The public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited. Sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector industries. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producer or suppliers of raw materials. Workers are both. Anand Malik Union Limited and Sudha Dairy are success stories of a cooperative venture. Sudha Dairy in cooperative sector. Factors affecting location on industries. The factor affecting the location of industries are the availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, and market. Industries are uh, situated where some are all of these factors are easily available. Sometimes the government provides incentives like subsidies, power, lower transport cost, and other infrastructure so that industries may be located in backward areas. Industrializations often leads to development and growth of towns and cities. Look at the figure 5.3 location factors of for industries: transport, land, power, raw material, labor, capital market. Industrial system. An individual system consists of inputs, process and outputs. The input are the raw material, labor and cost of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. The process include a wide range of activity that convert the raw material into finished product. The output are the end product and the income earned from it. In case of the textile industry, the inputs may be cotton, human labor, factory and transport cost. The process include gaining, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing. The output is the shirt you wear. Industrial reasons. Industrial reasons emerge when a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. Major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe. Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia figure 5.4. Major Major industrial regions tend to be located in the temperate areas near seaport and especially near the coal fields. Figure 5.4 words industrial regions. Uh, look at look at the picture. You can see this in black color industrial region, and you can say it ochre color. It is shows the world industrial belt. Okay, you can see this. India has several industrial regions like Mumbai, Pune cluster, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu region, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad, Vadodara region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam, Guntur belt, Gurgaon, Delhi, Meerut region, and Kollam, Tiruvananthapuram industrial cluster. Industrial disaster. In industries, accident disasters mainly occurs due to technical failure or irresponsible handling of hazardous material. One of the worst industrial disasters of all time occurred in Bhopal on 3rd December 1984 around 30:30 am. It was a technological accident in which highly poisonous methyl isocyanide (MIC) gas along with hydrogen cyanide and other reactions product leaked out of the pesticide factory of Union Carbide. The official death toll was 3,598 in 1989. Thousands who survived still suffer from one or many ailments like blindness, impaired immune system, gastrointestinal disaster, etc. Uh, Union Carbide factory. In another incident on December 20, 23 December 2005 due to gas well blowout in Gao Xiu, Shaoxing, China, 243 people died, 9,000 were injured, and 64,000 were evacuated. Many people died because they were unable to run after the explosion. Those who could not escape in time suffered burn to their eyes, skin, and lungs from the gas. Risk reduction measures. Densely populated residential areas should be separated far away from the industrial areas. People staying in the vicinity of industries should be aware of the storage of toxins and hazardous substances and their possible effect in case if an accident occurs. Fire warming and fighting systems should be improved. Storage capacity of toxic substances should be limited. Pollution dispersion qualities in the industrial should be improved. Rescue operation in Gaucho. Distribution of major industries. The world major industries are the iron and steel industry, the textile industry, and the information technology industry. The iron and steel and textile industry are the older industries, while information technology is an emerging industry. The countries in which iron and steel judiciary is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan, Russia. Textile industry is concentrated in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. The major hubs of information technology industry are the Silicon Valley of Central California and Bangalore region of India. Iron and steel industry. Like other industries, iron and steel industries too comprises various imports, process, and outputs. This is a feeder industry whose products are used as raw material for other industries. The inputs for the industry include raw materials such as iron ore, coal, and limestone, along with labor, capital, site, and other infrastructure. The process of converting iron ore into steel involves many stages. The raw material is put in the blast furnace where it undergoes smelting. Figure 5.6. It is then refined. The output obtained is steel, which may be used by other industries as raw material. Do you know emerging industries are also known as sunrise industries? These include information technology, wellness, hospitality, and knowledge. Glossary smelting. It is the process in which metals are extracted from their ores by heating beyond the melting points. Look at the figure 5.5. Manufacturing of steel. 8 tons of coal plus 4 tons of iron ore plus 1 ton of limestone is equal to 1 ton of steel. Steel is tough and it can easily be shaped, cut, or made into wire. Special alloy of steel can be made by adding small amount of other metals such as aluminum, nickel, and copper. Allows give steel unusual hardness, toughness, or ability to resist rust. Steel is often called the backbone of modern industry. Almost everything we use is either made of iron or steel or has been made with the tools and machinery of these metals. Ships, trains, trucks, and autos are made largely of steel. Even the safety pins and the needles you use are made from steel. Oil wells and drilled with steel machinery, steel pipelines transport oils. Minerals are mined with steel equipment, form machines. Minerals are mined with steel equipment. Forms machines are mostly steel. Large buildings have steel framework. Look at the picture 5.6. From iron ore to steel in a blast furnace. Melt, molten iron, hot air, slag, blast furnace, iron ore, limestone, and coke. Thank you.